Welcome aboard the Valiant Lady here in Port of Miami. My name's Tom, coming to you from acescruising.com. Balcony room here on Valiant Lady, Virgin Voyages. Getting ready to sail out on a 5-night cruise to the Dominican Republic in Nassau. It's a Dominican Days itinerary. Show you the balcony here. Yeah. Beautiful day here in Miami. If you'd like to book any Virgin Voyages cruise or any cruise for that matter, acescruising.com, and I'll be happy to help with all your cruising and travel needs. Again, this is Tom, and stay tuned for more from the Valiant Lady.